Hey, this will be a video chart on PRMO. Finally was able to break out today after some volume that was building during the initial parts of the week, and needs to be updated now. Could be an exciting play for next week. Obviously more confirmation is required, but was finally able to break out from above the 0003 area. You can see back here in early November had a big volume bar, and then 2 days in a row couldn't get above it, dropped back down to the dreaded 0001, 0002 channel, and then earlier this week was able to get out of that channel, and finally, great way to end the week, break out and start to tap on the 0004s up there. So the chart's not going to be too groundbreaking, but it is worthy of at least just putting up here for the very reason as people love 000 stocks, and they're pretty good at gaining organic volume where everybody just hops on board. And the momentum is, the snowball effect. You push a snowball down a big mountain, and it gets bigger and bigger. That's how some of these 000 plays can be. But at the same time, we got to make sure that, the people, whether it be the company or insiders or just, whatever those dynamics are, make sure that they let the thing breathe and stuff like that. If you get any billion shares traded and the stock only moves up, 1 or 2 ticks, not a great sign, but so far didn't even trade 500 million shares today, but it was able to make this amount of a move. So it does look like the share price has the capability to get moving. In terms of supports, with these 000 stocks, if you've watched my videos in the past, you've heard me say basically every level is going to be a support or resistance. So 0003 was a resistance like I talked about at the beginning of the video. Now that we're above it, it's going to be our area of support. Now in terms of resistance levels, we'll have to go to the weekly chart for this, and bear with me as I gotta, here we go, this will help out. So this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, this 0004 level does have some prior history back here in early 09. Price came up there, tried to get above it, couldn't quite do it. So like I said, 0004 is going to be yet another key area of resistance. 0003 though, getting above that was a good sign though, as you can see here. 0003 knocked down the price a couple times, and then a bunch of times over here. But with a break of 0004, the question becomes, where are the next areas of resistance? And the key area of resistance that I see after that one is going to be right here, which looks like 0007. And now where am I getting this level from? Well, if we look back through the price history of the chart, you can see that right here it acted as a support, and then when the price dropped below it on this candle, support became resistance. Price tried to come back up and get above it a couple days here, couldn't quite do it, and it hasn't been above it since then. So that remains the area of resistance that will be the next key battleground after a break of 0004. Now, percentage-wise, that adds up very quickly, so don't fall for the trap of, well, that's only 3 ticks up. 3 ticks up when you're talking 000s, those percentages add up very quickly. So, with a break of 0004, it could be a relatively quick run up there to 0007, but, obviously volume is going to need to remain strong, and, interest is going to need to continue to grow. The one kind of downside with these is if they don't get moving right away, then interest drops off, and when interest drops off, volume does, and then these things just can't get off the ground. But if they can get off the ground, they can be some exciting plays. So we'll see what happens next week, but these 000 ones, we'll see if anybody pushes the snowball down the hill or not, and see if it can gain any sort of momentum. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up. We've been making some good money together with our alerts, so it's at least worth giving a try. One more time, this is PRMO. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.